Good morning, Thursday morning. I'm going to quickly show you what's happening at GM. We've got a couple of guys on the sick at the minute, so I've got lost a couple of texts at the minute. Evo 9 for sale. We sold the last one. It went last Saturday. Haggy sold it to a customer in Scotland. We did buy another Evo 9 last week as well, and that Evo 9 is here, so I'm going to show you. Dale's been machine polishing it, so I'll give you a quick peek of that Evo 9 so you can have a look at it. So with Dale here, there's Dale in the picture there. Evo 9 that we imported last year. Dale's busy going over it, and then it's going to go for a photo shoot. So you're after an Evo 9, guys. Par of our old customer, spent about 8 grand on modifications, Super Pro bushes, uprated clutch, new tyres and so on. He has done quite a bit on it, but full details will be on the website. Absolutely fantastic car. Let me open the door and show you. This one's got the matching seats. I think it's only done about 2,000 miles since it's arrived in the UK. But yeah, what a car. More details on that next. Project Frankenstein. Chris Rendog is working on this. And Nathan, I've decided I'm going to put your turbos on this car. So Rendog is now putting the turbos on, and then we are going to try and get everything so it runs on the stock engine before we build the engine. So it's progressing super nicely. Also, not sure if I've showed this before, but the custom exhaust has all been done on this car with the traditional Japanese side exit exhaust. So yeah, I'm so happy with the progress in this car now. So let's go and see what Rendog's doing today as well. So Rendog, what is it you're doing today?
Basically fitting the bigger turbos to the R32-35 project. With it being bigger turbo, we're going to have to adjust the custom fabricated engine mount slightly. Right. Just to suit getting the turbo and getting the air intake pipe in.
Perfect, and these are the brakes for them. It's going with a Nissan R33 GTR brakes, so I think they're actually 34 them. Well, yeah, good. I'll leave you in peace. I think you've been doing some titanium stuff as well, haven't you? Yeah. Which Haggy's been filming, hasn't he?
Pipe, yeah, it's just down here. It's in the box.
Have a quick look. Yeah. So this is for James Chow's car. Yeah. Fully done in-house, all pie cutted.
Handmade, 1mm thick titanium.
Looks good. Good job. Good. So I'll update now on the rest of the stuff. Also got DC12 back, which is George Thompson's wheels are getting fitted. And then George's car is going to go on the alignment lift and get sorted. Gizmo, your car is still sitting there looking pretty, and it's ready for you, my friend. So just let me know when you want to pick it up and enjoy it. It is ready to be abused. Right, let's do a quick update on the workshop. So Billy, your GTR, Dean's been working on this, doing a nice job on this. He is on the sick today, he's not very well. Got a little bug going around the GM at the minute. But yeah, so I'm hoping to get this ready for Tuesday, so Romain can map it. The Mad Sweden plenum is on, 12 injectors is on, rails are in as well, flex fuel, ethanol, everything is getting done for you. And then this should make over 1200 horsepower. Billy as well, while I've got you, your new wheels are on. Perfect. So now I'm going to go and see Scott and see where Scott's up to. So I'm with Scott, and this is James's GM signature engine. Those for you who remember, this is the engine that came from another shop, and it had a broken crankshaft. Obviously we don't know what happened to it, but he's got some modified HKS turbos that we've had done, built engine, and Scotty's putting it together, and we're getting it in the car so we can then tune it next week. So James, that is your update. Scott's working very, very hard on this to get it ready. There we go. We've got man like Kyle. Oh. And it looks like he is tapping some threads on you.
Aye.
So just fixing it, yeah? Heli coiling them?
The gearbox casing, and obviously they're not renowned for stripping.
Yeah, with being aluminium.
Yeah. So yeah, just one I have to repair on this. So
yeah, so Kyle is working on some boxes, and Warren, if you're wondering, we're just waiting for your parts, which are arriving tomorrow, and then Kyle is back on your car. So yeah, I'll let Kyle crack on as he's got lots of boxes to do, aren't you, Kyle?
Right,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep them coming.
Yeah.
But you did forget one thing.
No, never.
Oh, the thumbs up. So we've got apprentice of the year, young Matthew. He is apprentice of the year, aren't you, Matty?
Right, apprentice of the year.
So what is it you're doing? You're just cleaning the faces, yeah?
I clean the faces off.
And then this is going on the Hunter alignment, put the new wheels on, and then getting washed, road tested, and back to the customer. So this car's been ready for quite a while. The customer hasn't picked it up as he's been super busy. So he's added some extra jobs while we're here. So Matty going the extra mile there, making things nice. So yeah, George, your car. This is where we're up to today. New wheels are going on, which I've just showed in the video before, and then a Hunter alignment, and then a bit of road testing, and a final wash, and it's ready for you again. Right guys, I'm going to go to the workshop and check some progress on some cars and see what's going on. Oh, look who we've got here. We've got the UK National Champion, Cameron Vaughan. Cameron, congratulations.
Thank you, mate.
So you are now the champion, aren't you?
Yeah, feels good. Been a long time coming, but finally here.
Yeah. Me and Chris were actually there watching it. I don't know if you've seen it on the vlogs. So well done, Cameron. Really proud. And you also won the Mickey May
Boxing Award, boxer of the tournament. It's a good honourable thing to win.
Yeah.
Didn't expect to win it, to be honest with you. Just wanted to get the belt. And
Happy with the win, I guess.
Good bonus though. Good bonus.
Quick one. So for everyone that obviously follows Cameron and that, what is next for Cameron?
I've got a GB trial next week in Sheffield at the Institute of Sport, and then I'm representing England at 60 kilograms in the Tri-Nation Championships.
There you go. So what they say is powered by JM. There you go. Oh my god. Right, anyway, I'm going to have a bit of chat with Cameron, so I want to stop the vlog and I'll catch you guys in a bit. So guys, that's a wrap for Thursday. I tried to get some more workshop stuff, but it was so busy. Obviously, like you say, Cameron popped in as well. And yeah, really busy again, so got a couple of texts off today as well. So me and Chris have been sort of helping out a little bit in the workshop and doing some diagnostic stuff as well. So for now guys, I'm going to leave you to it, and I'm back on the vlogs again tomorrow on the Friday. So have a good evening. Right, morning guys, it's Friday morning at GM. I'm only in for a couple of hours, so I come in early this morning. Chris opened up. My son's got a football tournament, so I'm away for the weekend with that. So I'm just sort of just doing a bit of admin, catching up, and just planning stuff with Chris. Haggy is going to be posting an Evo 9 that's just come in. Had a lot of money spent on it, so it's a really nice car. Chris is going to do some vlogging on a GTR. He's got an MOT to do as well, and some other bits, so he'll keep you posted. And no doubt Haggy will do some vlogs. So for now guys, I'll see you next week.
Hi guys, it is a little after 8 PM on Friday evening. Apologies for the lack of vlogging, but today has been hectic. Jürgen's obviously had an early finish. He's got a family thing on today. And the plan was for me and Haggy to grab some vlog, but between the two of us, we've just been absolutely flat out. It's not been easy. Little update for you. Caroline's Audi R8 has been back with us for some repairs after she had a bit of a mishap with it. That's all sorted, and she's coming to collect that tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to seeing her and taking her out on that again. Over here, we've got Haggy's stunning RX-7 sitting waiting for his documents coming from DVLA. Jürgen touched on the Evo that we've got for sale. So I believe this is going on the website today. I believe Haggy's doing a post on the social medias as well. So keep an eye out for that. It is a beautiful car. It's had some good money spent on it as well since it came in the UK. It's only recently imported last year. The new owner also has a very nice GTR and a few other toys, and he splashed out and did a load of work on the car. And then he's not really used it, so he now wants to move it on. Alfa Romeo is in with Dale getting prepped. Again, waiting its documents from the DVLA and then ready to go. That car was a personal import, and like I say, it's beautiful. It's going to come up very nice. Dale's doing a great job on that. So that's it for today really. Sorry it's not been much action. It's just been one of them days where we've had to just get on and get the work done. So stay tuned. I am in tomorrow. I've got a few dynos in, a few wheel alignments as well. Quite a lot going on tomorrow. So I will try my best to vlog it, but I am in by myself with Jimmy and Scotty in the workshop, so it might be quite hard. Anyway, stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get some more content out for you soon, and see you again soon. Bye bye.
So that is all for today guys. I hope you like the videos we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share, comment, good, bad. Okay.